Hello, my friend. I am Hanin from Tunisia, Gafsa City. Absolutely thrilled to have you join. You are about to discover the most advanced AI powered task manager platform that will transform how you express yourself online, build with React Firebase and Mature User Interface. Firebase SDK handles the authentication flow automatically after I tried to log in with Google using sign in with email and password method. A special generated token called a custom token contains information about the user. So I get logged in and the navbar show my name is extracted from the email. And this is administrative console where the admin manage all authenticated users. In register interface, create user with email and password method refers to a method within Firebase authentication that allows an application to create a new user account in Firebase project using provided email address and password. In the result, the Firebase clients SDKs provide the ability to send users email contains links they can use password resets by using send password reset email method so we get secure reset link. How to set up the cloud function to interact with the generative AI model. We use Google's Gemini API for this from Google Cloud Constant. For API key, the key is specific to your Firebase project. It's used by the Firebase client SDK, the code you run in your web app. To communicate with various Firebase services like authentication, Firestore, cloud storage, this key is for accessing the Gemini API itself, which is part of Google AI. It's used to authenticate requests made directly to the Gemini large language model. This key is much more sensitive because it grants access to a powerful AI service and if compromised, we get this key from Google AI Studio. When authenticated, user create or update a task, a dialog should open. You should see loading spinner and generating intelligent suggestion message. After a few seconds, the AI generated suggestion should appear in dialog, automatically classify tasks into categories and evaluate their sentiment. AI chat assistant component is beautifully integrated and functioning. One prompt to ask Gemini to categorize the task, other prompt to ask Gemini to determine the sentiment. The returned category and sentiment will then be automatically added to the task data before it's saved to Firestore. The TaskMind AI chat is not only replying but doing so intelligently and even recognizing your existing task like improve application performance. So AI chat assistant component is beautifully integrated and functioning. By integrating AI components like categorization, sentiment, entity extraction, and the model brain GS. The generative AI Gemini is your core brain. It's excellent for understanding natural language, holding a conversation, generating human like responses, summarizing, and providing general advice. It can also be used for intent recognition and response generation based on various inputs. BrainJS is a JavaScript neural network library. In most sentiment analysis systems, the score of 0 typically indicates neutral system. Positive score 1 to 5 would mean the text is positive. Negative scores -1 to -5 would mean the text is negative. The score of 0 means the AI perceives the text as neither positive nor negative. It means your task title and description are fairly straightforward and objective. The AI task assistant provides a lot of suggestion for fix the bug task. This one of the core strengths of Gemini in Firebase. It's designed to streamline your development process and reduce debugging time. The initial AI suggestion from your task assistant are not quite hitting the mark, are not quite hitting the mark. Sorry, you can take those insights or specific code snippets, error message, or context and go directly to TaskMind AI chat. Finally, we are creating multi-layered AI support system for your users, where your custom AI task assistant provides immediate, focused help and for more complex or unsatisfying scenarios. The user has direct access to the broader, deeper capabilities of TaskMind AI chat. Thank you so much for watching.